Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing some awesome sweet cookies to eat with some tea or coffee. They're perfect. They're super sweet and super easy to make. You'll need 300 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 50 grams of butter, 50 grams of any type of nuts, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of soda, and 10 grams of vanilla sugar. First, let's do the nuts, or cut them or blend them. Do whatever you want till it gets. Then let's just mix all the ingredients. First, the flour, a bit of soda, and a bit of, or all of it, of the butter. Then mix it. Then in a bowl you put an egg, some vanilla sugar and sugar. Then mix it. Then add the other dry ingredients that you did before and mix it again. And add the flour that you had last time. Then go mix it with your hand. Then just add the cashew or some nuts. Then you rip apart the dough to make like 75 grams of each part, and then you roll it out and do this form. Then you just put it into the pan with some parchment paper, and you can put it into the oven in 180 grams for about 20 minutes. Then when it's all done, you add some glass sugar or some powdered sugar. Then when it's all done and cold, it's perfect and ready to eat. I hope you like this recipe because it's really easy and sweet, and you can make a big batch of it and everyone will love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more.